ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय माँ। जय माँ।
जय माँ।
सबको जय माँ। तुम भी बोलो सबको जय माँ।
जय माँ, सबको जय माँ।
Nice. So now welcome to this channel, Swamiji's Kitchen. And today we'll share a chutney which I'm making. It is basically hotels में जो उडीपी होते हैं ना, वहाँ hotels में ये लोग चटनी ये बनाते हैं. It's liquidy, ऐसा पानी पानी, ऐसा गठ नहीं होता है, thick चटनी नहीं होती है, liquidy होती है. And they pour it on the idli. When they serve idli to you, it's in a plate. And then they give you this liquidy chutney और उसके ऊपर ऐसे पूरा pour करते हैं. So we are trying to make that chutney. So come, let's do it. First, switch on the flame. Pour little oil, say 1 tablespoon. Let it heat. उसके बाद you take 1 cup of peanuts and throw it in and saute. चम्मच उधर है हमारा, ठीक है, वापस आओ. She has to keep moving because my things are here there. Saute. Measurements again description box में है, so आप वहाँ देख सकते हैं. I've taken 2-3 green chillies. Add lots of curry patta, curry leaves. Add. This is daaliya. We call it daaliya. It's split gram chana daal, basically split chana daal. Add that. And I've taken 2-3 pieces of tamarind, kacha tamarind, imli. Add that. Now saute everything. This is like peanut chutney, then you'll have mint in this, coriander in this, coconut in this. It's very yummy, this chutney. आप लोग जरूर ट्राई करना, बहुत टेस्टी बनती है. ट्राई करके मुझे जरूर बताना how you like it. Fry it nicely. Then you add a handful of mint, pudina. Add that and saute. Now once this is done, switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down. वो ठंडा होगा, उसके बाद we have to mix it, blend it in the mixer, which I'll show you step 2. This is cooled down now, so we'll put it in the mixer. दिस इज स्टेप 1. ऐसा पाउडरी थोड़ा होना चाहिए, और ये हो जाए उसके बाद आप डालिए हरा धनिया, लॉट्स ऑफ हरा धनिया, कोरिएंडर लीव्स एंड 1 cup ऑफ कोकोनट एंड सॉल्ट. एंड देन यू हैव टू मिक्सी अगेन. या बस वापस मिक्सर करिए. Step 2. Now add little water. Basically we need 3 cups of water. So you go on adding little and mixing it. See, now this has become a thick chutney. We don't want a thick chutney, so we are pouring lots of water now. Basically 3 cups of water go in this. So pour and then mixy again. बाहर आएगा. Now pour it. Done. Now this is done. So we pour it in the serving bowl. See how liquidy it is. Wow. And now we have to do a chonk on this. Baghar. Tempering. So you take your baghar dani, switch on the flame, take some oil. Bas. Kadi patta, rye and red chillies, dry chillies. Rye, kadi patta, curry leaves. Once it crackles, then you add the curry leaves. अच्छे से टेम्पर करिए, otherwise the flavor won't come, you know. Now you pour it in the chutney. It's yummy, it smells so good. So this is that hotel type, you know, UDP type chutney. Mix it, Bharti. With a spoon, just mix it. And show it here. See how yummy it looks. This is that chutney. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahviryam Karvamahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishamahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. Jai Ma everyone. See you in the next video.